Oh, it's a really good store.
What store is this?
Buckle. It's a great store.
Oh, cool.
You like it?
Let's see.
Bring it back.
Turn it around, Bridge. Turn it around.
It's a little.
Oh, I like. You know what? Try it on when you get a chance and see if you like
I
it.
thought it might, but if you don't love it, we'll take it back.
Bridge, it's okay. You can always take things back.
And you know what? I thought she'll either love it or not like it, and I thought I'm gonna get it and just see.
It's cool, Bridge.
It's fine. I tried.
That's Trudy's favorite store, Bridge.
It's a good store.
Oh my gosh, we got a remote control helicopter again!
But this one, Tab, should work, and that's why you got batteries. But, Tab, you can't do it on the tile floor.
Okay. Really about batteries?
For like,
We have 1,000 batteries, just so you know.
I know, but
Hurry up and open it! Yeah, now these are my own batteries.
Bridge, I have no problem with you taking it.
Oh, that's true. Okay, Mary, let's see if you got a new pair of shoes for a change. Oh, Mary, you did get shoes today from Trudy, didn't you?
It wasn't my
Mary,
thing, it was
you got shoes from Trudy, didn't you?
This is real, you know, and I was like,
What's this?
let's see. Oh, I know what it is.
You guys
It's
please hurry up.
Cat, this is all trash.
What is that, Bridge?
Yes.
Okay.
Tag stamp. Open my shoebox.
It's tag stamping, like fun little crafty things.
And then you take a tag and then you stamp.
Yeah.
And then
Isn't that fun?
Jane just opened it already. That's cool. Jane can open.
Okay, go ahead,
Yeah.
Jane.
Janie can open hers.
Okay.
You know what it is?
The shoebox.
It's not a shoebox.
Yeah, it's her boots.
You didn't get boots.
Yeah.
I didn't get her boots. I don't know what size of shoes.
Oh my gosh. It's a backpack. It's an Ela soccer bag.
Oh, cool.
And your daughter was a shoebox. Yes. Oh, this is Hamilton, so Mary can use it later.
In her later years.
You wanted? You're welcome.
Yeah.